he asks to express the right side of the formula in simplest form. So here's the formula, and I'm going to multiply the top by R1 times R2 times R3, and I'm going to do the same on the bottom. I'm going to times by R1 times by R2 times by R3. And in doing so, the numerator becomes R1 times R2 times R3. And the denominator becomes the R1's cancel, so we end up with R2 times R3 plus the R2 cancels in this case, so it becomes R1 times R3 plus the R3 cancels on the last term, so we get times R1 times R2. Okay, so there's our simplified formula. And part C asks to use this formula to calculate the same resistance that we had before. So the total resistance is equal to 2 times 3 times 4 on top, and then becomes 3 times 4 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 3. And so our calculation ends up giving us 12 over 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 6 is 26. Sorry, that's going to be 24 over the 26. And that simplifies to 12 over 13 ohms, which we got in the previous example. Now, this one seems to be easier to calculate since we're not dealing with all these embedded fractions. So I would think that the simplified formula is going to be easier.